Today I'm going to be showing you how to make shrimp alfredo pasta step by step. Make sure you have an adult to help you with this recipe. These are the ingredients you're going to be needing for the recipe. Some fettuccine alfredo pasta, 2 bags if you want to make more, and I grabbed some cooked medium shrimp bags. I got 2 of them because I'm going to make more, and some finely shredded Parmesan. I grabbed this one, and some sour cream, Italian seasoning, Parmesan cheese. I grabbed 2 kinds. Then I grabbed butter, whole milk or any milk you want, and heavy whipping cream. As you can see, I already made my pasta, and I need to strain it. Make sure you have an adult to help you with this step because the water is really hot, and also the pasta is really hot. I'm just gonna be mixing around. And make sure you have an adult, like I said, because it can be quite hot and you might burn yourself. So you're going to need 2 tablespoons of butter to go into the pan. And you're going to melt that butter until it melts fully. Just keep mixing around. Make sure you have a parent with you or an adult to help you with this step. Then you're going to pour 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. And you're going to mix it. Then you're going to put half a cup of whole milk or any milk you want into the pan too. And keep stirring it. Then you're going to put 1 tablespoon of garlic or minced garlic into the pan too. And mix that all around. I'm adding sour cream. You can do this or not, but I'm going to put sour cream into the pan. Then you're going to add salt and pepper, half a tablespoon each. And just put that into the pan and mix it up. Then you're going to cook this on low heat for a minute. Then you're going to add your cheddar or any kind of cheese into the pan too. And you keep stirring it until the cheese melts. I'm also going to be adding Parmesan grated cheese for some extra Parmesan flavor. And I'm going to mix that too into the pan to make it taste more like Parmesan. I'm also going to be adding some mozzarella cheese to the pan to make it more creamier. After it looks like this, you're going to add in your Italian herbs or Italian seasoning into the pan. And then after that, you can just put in your noodles and shrimp. How I usually prepare my shrimp for my alfredo is putting in 2 tablespoons of butter and some mint and some garlic or some minced garlic. And I'm going to be melting my butter. After you melt the butter, I'm going to add some garlic or minced garlic and some pepper, however much you want. This is to prepare for the shrimps. I already know that my shrimp are cooked, but I always like to season them before I put them in the alfredo so they get enough flavor so it goes with the sauce. After they're done cooking for like 5 minutes, I'm going to put them on my pasta, an even amount in each bowl. I'm going to pour my alfredo sauce onto my pasta and shrimp, an even amount in each bowl. Now I'm going to mix it up with my alfredo sauce and my pasta and also my shrimp. This is the end results of my shrimp alfredo pasta, and my mom's going to try it.
Delicioso.
Mom, what'd you say again?
Que no se nos olvide lavar los trastes después de hacer la receta.
I hope you like this recipe like I did, and make sure to like and subscribe for more recipes, and comment down below what recipe you'd like me to do next.